I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Keto-friendly ice cream, that is. I love ice cream, and so today I'm making a keto-friendly ice cream that is no churn, easy to make, and is super delicious. So pour your cream into your bowl and let's get making. Next, we are going to add in our cream cheese. Now, the reason why I'm using cream cheese is because it's gonna stop it from really hardening up and getting kind of icy. Now we're going to add in our sweetener. So I'm using powdered monk fruit sweetener today, but you can use whatever type of sweetener you like. Just make sure it is powdered because you don't want those granular bits stuck in there when you're eating your ice cream. Then it becomes crunchy ice cream and that doesn't really sound that great. So use powdered. Now add in your vanilla extract. There's something I don't understand about vanilla extract though. It smells so good, but it doesn't taste very good if you just have it on your own. Why is it that something that smells so good tastes so bad? Lastly, add in your vanilla bean powder. Now you don't have to have vanilla bean powder in this recipe, but it does add a really nice flavor. So if you have it, put it in. So I put my whisk attachment on my mixer. Now I'm just going to mix it all up until it forms soft peaks, very delicate peaks. You want it to be nice and fluffy, but you don't want it to be whipped cream. So I've got my mix here. Now I'm just going to pour it into my mason jar and kind of smack the edges around to make sure there's no air bubbles getting caught in there. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a good little tap. It's a very aggressive tap, but you gotta get all those air bubbles out. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just gonna top it off with the remaining that I have left. Screw that lid on tight. Ugh. Perfect, now we're just gonna throw it in the freezer from 5 to 6 to 24 hours. It depends on how cold your freezer is. I'll be right back, hopefully it doesn't take too long. And remember, I keep all of my ingredients, everything I used, down in the description below. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.